Hello, welcome to iReap POS. In this video, we have received a cash drawer from the Panda brand. We will test whether it is compatible with the iReap POS application. For the printer, we are also using the Panda brand, specifically the PRJR58D model. Let's get started. First, connect this cable to the printer. Then, turn on the printer's Bluetooth to connect it to your Android device. Next, select the Bluetooth printer RPP210A, enter the password 0000. Once the Bluetooth printer is paired with your Android device, open your iReap POS app. Go to the Settings menu. Then select the printer model. Currently, we are using the Panda PRJR58D printer model. So it depends on what printer you are using, and make sure your printer supports the RJ11 cable. After that, choose the name of the Bluetooth printer. Enter a logos if you want to print a logos on your receipts. Then go back to the main menu, and we'll head straight into Transactions. Create a transaction. At iReap POS, you can use a barcode scanner for faster transactions. The barcode scanner can use a cable, or you can use an Android device directly. For instructions on how to use a barcode scanner with a mobile phone, check the link above, or check the link in the description. Okay, after the transaction is complete, click Pay Cash button. Don't forget to check the option to print the receipt to the printer, then, and confirm the payment. The cash drawer will automatically open. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the bell button so you get notified every time we upload new videos.